So let's go ahead and check out again Rogue's Dead Guy IPA. Rogue's Dead Guy IPA comes in at a 7% ABV, a 69 IBUs. It gets an average rating on Untappd of 3.83. Dead Guy IPA weaves Citra and Mosaic hops into a subtle malt body to create a bold, complex IPA worthy of the dead. Okay, so I already did a longer video on this, but let's see if it's as good as I remember. Well, since it wasn't that long, I'm betting it is. Oh, that smells like the Northwest. That's actually got a better aroma than I remember. It's piney, it's citrusy. Oh, there's a hint of tropical fruit to it, like of a mango. Yeah, it's like mango and pine. It's great, I love it. I don't know who wouldn't like that aroma. It's such a great smell. Yep, still as good as I remember it. Oregon in a glass. It's a little bit more like 2010 Oregon, but man, it's just got that perfect mix of citrus and pine to this IPA. This beer sits right at that cusp of when they started throwing more citrus into the beer, pine bomb IPAs back in the day. And you got that little bit of fruitiness, but still had a pine bitterness to it. So it's so great. The body's great. The khaki head, it's quite not as khaki of a head as the original Dead Guy. And it's not quite as yeasty, or like I kind of got a crackery flavor from the Dead Guy. This again is just a really great example of a Northwest IPA. This is probably what everyone should shoot for as their first IPA to make. If you can't make this, don't go and venture off into trying something else. Okay?